economic downturns can shake your confidence in traditional savings. But history shows that certain assets, like gold and silver, have weathered the storm. When markets tumble and uncertainty rises, many investors worry about their retirement savings. The Why Precious Metals Guide explains that gold and silver have repeatedly held their value during turbulent times. For example, gold surged more than 1,000% during the double-digit inflation of the 1970s and 1980s. During the 2008 financial crisis, it rose over 100%, while silver often outpaced gold during certain bull markets. These patterns show why seasoned savers have turned to precious metals as a stable component of their retirement portfolios. By diversifying with gold and silver, you're not trying to predict every market swing. You're building resilience into your savings. This is just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like the Company Integrity Checklist and Digital Dollar Report, all designed to give you a broader perspective before making investment decisions. I'll link this one in the description. If you want a clear look at how gold and silver have endured past crises and how that could protect your savings, download the full Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle. It's completely free, insightful, and made to help you make confident, informed choices. You can find the link in the description.